Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I wanted to give you all an update on the straw bale garden, and as you can see, we've still got mushrooms. Everything's looking good. We'll take a walk around and look at everything. We've got peppers right here in front, right there. They're looking good. They're flowering. The one thing that we've had to do is water a lot. I didn't realize how much the rain in Louisiana helped. We're almost watering twice a day. The banana peppers are doing really good. The squash and zucchini planted in the ground back there are doing really, really good. Oh, looks like we've got some helpers today. Runny and Moo Moo. Oh, and look who's coming, Chunky. What are you doing, Chunky? Tomatoes are really flowering. These are some of the ones that I put in pots because the frost got them. And I just wanted to see if they would come back, and they're looking good. Right there in the side of the bale is a cayenne. It's doing really well. Some of the bell peppers already have peppers. Well, a lot of them do. Seems like the jalapenos and the other peppers over here are doing, the banana peppers are doing better than just the bell peppers. Look at there, first flower on the eggplant. All of the eggplants are doing well. This little one down at the end, I don't know what happened to it. Everything's looking better though since we've started watering a lot. Cucumbers are doing well. We're going to have to get some kind of lattice system so that they can climb. I love cucumbers. Beans are doing really well since we've started watering a lot. And apparently broccoli just does not like the bales. As you can see, one has gone to seed. One just disintegrated, and this one right here is doing the same thing. So I guess broccoli just does not like the bales. This bale here on the right, I had 2 pepper plants in, and they just wouldn't do anything. And it's a bale that we already had here. And I'm thinking that it had herbicide in it. I think that that's what happened. So I just plucked, well, the plants died. I tried to save them, but they just died. So there's nothing in that bale. The potatoes are doing awesome. Nice flowers. Over here is raspberries. We've been trying to water those. In the past month, we've gotten less than an inch of rain. It has been so dry. Down the hill in Cloquet, in the actual town of Cloquet, they've gotten rain. Up here, we've just not gotten any. Here's some more tomato plants that I that were that got bit by the frost, and were just little sticks, and they're doing really good now. The onions in the raised bed is doing good. Right here, that is garlic, and over here is asparagus. You don't have to go searching for Chunky. He is going to stand by the door and wait for me to go inside. He does not like being outside. He's an inside mama's boy. Okay, y'all, that's it for the garden update. I just wanted to do a really quick garden update. Show you guys how it looks. Let me know if you're doing the same thing, how yours is going. Oh, look, big boy's coming. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you all had a great 4th, and I'll see you on the next video. Big boy.